I wish I had a lunchbox like this in school. When my son started kindergarten last year, we were looking for a lunchbox that was durable, easy to clean, and sustainable. No more brown bags, no more plastic bags for your sandwiches. That's when I found this lunchbox by PlanetBox. We were so intrigued, we went all out on the lunchbox and the accessories. And almost a year later, here's my honest review. TLDR, we love it. So this is going to be a few different purchases. You have the box itself, and you have the carry bag with the water bottle and the ice packs. It's a little bit of an investment up front, but we can see ourselves using this lunchbox for our son for many years. We opted for the bento box that comes with 5 different compartments. This box is toxic free. It's made of durable stainless steel, and it's so easy to clean. It's dishwasher safe, which is the #1 reason why we bought this. I usually hand wash this throughout the week, but it makes its way into the dishwasher at least once or twice a week. Not only do you get the box, but you also get what they call the big and small dippers, where you can put dips or hummus, and I cannot locate the small dipper because it's been lost to my kids' stuff. These boxes also come with different magnets that you can theme your boxes with, so let your kids pick out what they want to make it more personalized for them. So let me show you a typical lunch packing session. So this section over here is what I use for his sandwiches. Up here you can fit a few different things. So we're gonna do some energy bites, some oranges. My son loves fruit, grapes, and strawberries. He loves pretzels, so pretzels. So go right here. And I also love to surprise him sometimes. So I'll give him, a little Sour Patch or, some gummies there. And so that's his lunch. And it's gonna put it right in here. These bags are made from 100% recycled polyester. As you saw, inside you'll hold his lunchbox, the cold pack if you decide to buy it. This is the cold kit. We have 2 of these. This slips right here and allows you to keep any cold food cold for up to 4 hours. And these little straps are for your utensils. And on the outside, you have these 2 pockets. This can fit, obviously, snacks, or it fits the Big Dipper nicely in there. And then you can put your water bottle here, or you can put other snacks in that little pouch as well. And he's good to go. This box went through a whole year of kindergarten. That means like 52 weeks of dishwashing and hand washing. I love the versatility, the overall organization of your lunch. It's a great sustainable option to replace all of those paper and plastic bags. And when we're not in school, we actually use this on road trips. So we pack it with snacks, with lunch, and it makes eating on the go so much easier. I left links to the box in the description. Check it out for your kids or for yourself. If you've made it this far, I'm giving you a bonus. This is my lunchbox from when I was in high school. This is very old and actually very dusty because it lives under my bed. Now it houses my hard drive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and of course smash that subscribe button so you don't miss another review.